In this video, we're going to go over array lists. An array list is just like an array, except it can be any size you want. So you don't have to tell the computer what size it is originally. It starts out at size 10, but don't worry about that. The computer will make it as big as it needs to be. So before we get started on the actual program, we need to actually import java.util.star. So we'll do that like we normally do. And then we're just going to do everything inside the main. To declare an array list, type in ArrayList with the capital L right there. Then I'm going to do this one as a string. You could also do it as a integer, in which case you would actually type in integer with a capital I and not just the word int. Also that equal to new array list. Put the braces there. I could write string inside those, but it's really just a waste of space and something that I don't actually do. Some people will. And I have then declared my array list, and I called it names. Well, I might as well put some names in here. And the way to do that is names.add. Let's go with Alfred. Put 3 names in there. Names.add. Let's go with Bethany. And whenever I did Alfred here, this should have been inside some quotation marks because it's a string. That was my fault. And names.add Charlie. So after I've added those names, I can print my array list by typing in names there. We'll run that program, and it tells me everything in there, which is Alfred, Bethany, and Charlie. Let's say I want to remove something from the array list, but I'm not sure exactly what place it's at. I can say names.remove, and then I can say Bethany. So anything that says Bethany in there with a capital B is going to be removed. So I'll print out the names again. And Bethany is gone. What if I actually had 2 Bethanys in there? Names.add. Actually, let's do this out of order. Let's put Bethany right here. Names.add Bethany. Run this again. Well, to remove the second one, I need to say remove Bethany again. This one only removes the first Bethany. So names.remove. Actually, we'll do this on the second line. I think this will make it more instructive. I want it to be at the end where you can easily print out the whole thing and you'll see where it's going. So Bethany is now removed. Well, let's see. What else can we do? Let's add some more names and we'll figure out more stuff to do. So names.add. Let's add Damien. Notice I'm trying to keep these in alphabetical order just to make it easy to read. Names.add Elvis. We'll put someone famous in there. And names.add Felicia. Alright, so I can print out those names, so we'll print out those names and it'll just print out all the names like you would think except for Bethany, but you wouldn't expect Bethany to be there because Bethany's been removed. After that, we can actually say we want to add Bethany back in. Or no, let's say we want to add Brooklyn back in. Let's look at this real quick. Alfred is in the 0th place. Charlie is in the 1st place. We want Bethany to be right here, or Brooklyn, I think I said, to be right there. So we can add Brooklyn to the 1st place by saying names.add. Want to be in the 1st place, so 1, Brooklyn. And that will put Brooklyn at the first place, so we'll print out names again. And we now have Brooklyn inside there. We can also remove elements from specific places. Let's say I want to remove whatever the second element is, which would be 0, 1, 2. So the second element would be Charlie, or you can call it second or third, but I'm going to refer to it as second. So I would say names.remove, and then I would just put 3 in there, and we'll print out names again. And it's then removed the third thing, so 0, 1, let's see. Oh, I'm sorry, I removed the fourth thing. I did remove naming because it goes 0, 1, 2, 3. That is not what I meant to do, but it's still instructive. Teaches you the same thing. And then, let's say I want to figure out the size of this. I want to know how many elements are in there. I would just say names.size, so I should get 5 elements in there. So let's say I want to do number of elements is plus, and then I would say names.size. And it looks kind of weird, but right after I hit type in size, I need to do 2 of these parentheses there, and print that out. And so number of elements is 5. Anyways, if you'd like to see anything else with ArrayLists, let me know, and I will be sure to do those for you. In the J222 course, I may be actually showing you how that works underneath, like, what all is happening inside the computer that you weren't seeing that allowed me to add and remove those things at those places. I haven't decided on that for sure yet. If there's anything specific you'd like to see with Java, let me know and I'll try to do that for you. Other than that, there's a like button down below. If you'd hit that, I'd appreciate it, and thanks for watching.